So, welcome to AT510 Evidence-Based Medicine and Clinical Decision Making. This video is just to give you an overview of the course as far as how this is going to work. You're on Moodle already, so this is where you can find all of these resources that you'll need, including this syllabus for you to review as well. And so we'll just kind of go through the syllabus together and talk about the course. So the purpose of this course is to understand what evidence-based medicine is, describe the different components, different steps, and then talk about how this can end up getting into the area of clinical decision making. We want to move beyond simply the process of evidence-based medicine and really get into the question of how do I make decisions clinically. We make these decisions every day while we're doing our clinical rotations, but we need to take a moment to think about the process behind those decisions. And so that's what we're going to be doing. Some of that will be reviewing information, and some of that will just then be making decisions and talking about how that occurs. There are two course texts that you'll need, the Van Lunen book and then the Rob and Craig book. There'll be quite a bit of reading out of that, so make sure you have that and devote some time to reading. The easiest way to talk about the structure of the course is to talk about the grades and the workload model. So this will be an online course. So you will have lectures posted to the course. We'll have those posted as soon as they're ready. Hopefully we'll have a lot of those lectures up even before the course starts, so we can be ahead of you. And you can watch those lectures whenever is convenient for you. And you can watch them as many times as you would like and go along with them and prepare for our two exams. So we'll have two exams that will be both midterm in nature, so there won't be any cumulative nature. There'll be multiple choice. The first exam will be 75 multiple choice questions for 150 points, and the second one will be 50 multiple choice questions for 100 points. We will then also have these synchronous assignments that we'll do. So we will meet together either virtually, or if some would like to get together and meet up in the lab, we can do that as well. But what we're going to do during these is really focus on that clinical decision-making component. So you will have some pre-work to do, kind of a pre-lab sort of worksheet that you'll be asked to do and bring with you. We will then work on the assignment together as far as talking through this idea of clinical decision making. And then you will have some post work to do, and then you will upload your assignment to Moodle by the due date. And so when we go through these, and these synchronous assignments and sessions will be about an hour to an hour and a half long. And we're going to go joint by joint and kind of discuss the underlying fundamental knowledge, and then move to how do we go about making decisions associated with both diagnostic and rehabilitative decisions. And then lastly, we have this semester project, and for our semester project for this semester, we're going to be doing readings out of the Prentice books that I gave you. We have 25 quizzes. They're worth 10 points each, but they'll have varying numbers of questions. The due dates and all that are going to be are posted, and they're already up there. Here's your course schedule as far as everything goes through. Here's your quiz due dates, the synchronous assignment times, and the times will be announced there. But each of these quizzes have a different number of questions from that course text. They're all multiple choice, but you'll have 30 seconds per question. So if there are 20 questions, you'll have 10 minutes to answer those questions. The quizzes are on Moodle. They're already up. You just need to have them done by the due date, and they're scored based on that. And here are the exam dates as well. Exams will be taken on Moodle as well. You'll schedule an individual time, or we all may schedule a group time together, whichever is most convenient, to sit down and take that exam on that day. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to class.